Do you normally have your plants looking sad and saggy or shriveled and brown? Worry no more. The Automatically Plant Waterer is here to solve all your plant problems. Our novel design will make sure your plants are watered the appropriate amount to fit their individual needs.
Our system has three main sensors. One, pictured here, is the temperature and humidity sensor. This measures the temperature and humidity of the air and should be left out in the open air near your plant. Two is the capacitive soil moisture sensor. I can be seen placing this in the dirt of my plant as is recommended since this sensor measures the moisture level of the soil. Three is the water level sensor. This sensor should be placed in the water source so that it can detect when the water source bucket runs out of water so that the Raspberry Pi can alert the user to refill their water source. This kit also includes a water pump with tubing, which will be used to water your plant. This should be placed inside the same water source as the water level sensor. The other end of the tubing should be positioned so that it can somehow drip water onto the plant. In addition, there are two power plugs. Both should be plugged into the wall. One should be plugged into the USB-C female port. The other should be plugged into the Raspberry Pi.
Once the program boots up, you can scroll through the plant options to choose one that best matches your plant. Don't see your plants here? No problem. If you are comfortable with GitHub, when you order this product, we can attach it to a GitHub repository provided by you. You can edit the list of plants easily from a text file there. We can be seen adding a test plant to the plant list and the associated threshold number next to it. Not comfortable with GitHub? No problem. When you want to add a plant, simply email our business manager which plant you wish to add, and it will magically show up on your screen soon after he has read the email. You can see here that our test plant has been added to the list.
Once you have located the plant you want, be sure to click that select button. A new screen will load showing the temperature and humidity readings from your sensor, as well as the moisture level of your soil and the threshold associated with your type of plant. You can edit the threshold by simply clicking the up or down button. Here, the moisture level sensor is in an empty cup. When the soil moisture is measured below that of the threshold, the automatic watering system will water your plant, as indicated by the green progress bar scanning the bottom of the Pi TFT screen. The system will stop watering when the moisture level has reached the threshold. When your water source runs low on water, the Raspberry Pi will display this warning and will no longer water your plants until you have refilled your water source.
If you decide to set this up in a different plant, press the button on the bottom right of the screen to quit the program. A screen will show up asking if you want to report. If sadly your plant has passed, we would appreciate it if you press the report button. This sends us a text file of your plant type and threshold level to our GitHub database, which helps us track what didn't work so we can warn people in the future.
Our system can also be easily personalized to match you and your plant's individual needs by including additional sensors and implementing associated warnings. Thank you so much for watching our video. We worked very hard to bring you this amazing automatic plant watering system. For more information, please visit our GitHub site linked on the screen.